Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a street market which you enjoyed visiting. You should say where the market was, what the market sells, and explain why you enjoyed visiting this market. Before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. First word is shopaholic. Shopaholic means a person who is fond of shopping. Next is buzzing. Buzzing means full of activities. Next word is throwaway price. Throwaway price means a price that is very low. Next word is hub. Hub means center. Next word is lip smacking. Lip smacking means tasty. Next word is bargain. Bargain means to negotiate the price. In Punjabi bargain means ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ price cut ਕਰਵਾਉਣੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਪਾਂ bargaining ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So without wasting time, let's begin. I am a shopaholic as shopping is one of my leisure time activities which gives me immense happiness. Although a lot of shopping complexes have come up in India, but every city has at least one open air market which is buzzing with activities. Here I would like to share my experience of street market in Ludhiana where I shop a lot. It is called Nagar market. I often visit this market once or twice in a month. It is a perfect destination for those who hunt for trendy things at killer prices. There is room for lots of bargaining. There are export surplus garments available at affordable prices. When I visited this market for the first time, I was surprised to find out products of such a great quality at throwaway prices, and I just could not resist buying them. There is something for everybody, from stylish clothes to designer bags, and from shoes to jewelry. Along with shopping, this market is also a hub for lip-smacking street foods like pav bhaji, sandwiches, fresh juice, etc. Also, there is a adjoining vegetable market which offers the fresh fruits and vegetables. I even take my mother and grandmother there when they just get bored at home. They sometimes want to go out for a little while and have snacks and just watch small vendor shops. Even if somebody visits us from abroad and they like to check out local markets, then we usually take them to this market. I love to visit this shopping paradise again and again. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.